So here at JK Boots, we do everything we possibly can to produce the best product. Throughout the journey of our manufacturing, there's tons of QC checks, and we're always on top of that because we want to put out the best possible boots. Given the handmade nature of our boots and how the leather and materials that we use are so organic and sometimes difficult to work with, there can come up just either cosmetic defects or small little manufacturing things that could deem a boot not absolutely perfect. Now, these boots are still functionally awesome, and they still will do everything you need it to do and fit every way that you need it to fit. They're just not completely perfect, and so we don't want to put them and sell them as completely perfect. Instead of discarding this product and throwing it away, we decided that we would upload this to JK Boots Warehouse. Our warehouse is where all of our seconds boots or cosmetic defect boots are uploaded, and they're heavily discounted, so somebody could still get an awesome functioning pair of boots, but they might just have either a scuff or a scratch or a ding or a dent. So you can go to jkbootswarehouse.com and you can see all of those products uploaded, ready to ship with photographs and reasons for them being uploaded. You can get a sweet pair of boots at a sweet deal with just a little bit of a ding and a dent. Thanks for checking out JK Boots. Down below is going to be the link to our warehouse. The website is jkbootswarehouse.com. You can see everything on there, and you can filter by your size and even model and see what's available. Thanks so much, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.